Hey Pops, I want you to see this truck I got. Dude, it is unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a 47 Chevrolet panel truck. And it is freaking out of this world. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the outside of it. No dents or anything. You know what I'm saying? And it's got little tires up in front. It's dropped down pretty low. It's got 350 motor in it from a Camaro. I need to work on this hood, get this hood fixed all up. But I mean, like, look at how this thing looks. It's like that, no joke. I bought it from a guy that went over and there's no keys. So I need to open the doors up. See, I'm gonna go ahead and open. Boom. Let me go ahead and get this thing one more time. Okay, it's open. Has seats and everything. Everything's been redone. Like the whole engine, everything. Can you believe that it had wood, these wood things? I mean, it has been redone. But it's all good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna reupholster these seats. Take upholstery class. Now, I just want to go ahead and show you. This thing just starts right up. Runs like a champ. Get this thing. Dang. Okay. Can you believe that, Pops? It started up. Can you believe this? Like, look at this. Look at this, Pops. This motherfucker is out of control. That's all I can say. Out of freaking control. Kind of smoking a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of smoking. I gotta figure out what's going on there. But Pops, it is freaking like that, no joke. Anyway, Pops, it is what it is. But anyway, I can't believe I got this thing. You know what I'm saying? I paid 6 G's for it. It is freaking insane. Anyway, we'll take care. We'll talk to you later. Bye.